Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how I package my art prints for retail or wholesale. Now, it's a little bit different than when I package them for shipping. And I think it's important because I do a lot of art fairs. I had a gallery in the mall for almost 3 years. And I sell a lot of things retail. I sell wholesale on Faire. So I have stores and zoo gift shops all around the US that are carrying my art prints to sell in their stores. And so you have to have it packaged so that it's going to be able to be displayed well in a retail setting and not get damaged, because selling an art print is really flimsy. So the first thing is you have to pair it with a backing board. This is the most common mistake that I've seen people do, like people who don't have a lot of experience selling their work in retail settings. They'll take art prints to an art fair and then they won't have them on a backing board in any way. And this is just horrible for the customer because the customer's carrying around this floppy thing. Sometimes I see customers roll them up or they'll fold it, get it folded. You don't want to fold an art print, obviously. So backing boards, these are available in a lot of varieties. I like these ones. I get them from a company called Clear Bags. They are archival, which means they are pH neutral. So that means that if you have this art print sitting, which is an archival art print, or it should be if you're making a high quality fine art prints. So if you have it sitting on this backing board for, let's say 2 or 3 years, because you never know how long it's going to take to sell, it won't turn yellow. But if you use something for your backing board like cardboard, which is fine, I guess, if it's a short-term situation, but if you're trying to sell fine art and you don't want the paper to turn yellow or have the risk of it doing that, cardboard isn't pH neutral, so that means that it'll probably yellow over time. So I would suggest not using cardboard and going with a backing board that's archival. I mean, these are really affordable, especially if you buy them in 1,000 quantity, which is what I do, to get the price discount. So anyway, clearbags.com. I'm not an affiliate of them. I don't get anything for mentioning them in this video. I just use a lot of their products. The next thing that you need when you are packaging your art print is a polypropylene bag. Now these come from a lot of different companies as well, but again, I get these from Clear Bags, and it's great because you can order the backing boards and the bags at the same time. And so then what I do is I put this print inside the bag, and I have one of different pieces of artwork. It's already in the bag. Now they create lots of shininess with my lights, so sorry about that, but you can see that it's in the bag. And this is what I do for my art fairs, and I will display these in a print rack, and then people can flip through them to look and select the prints that they want. Now, I take an extra step when I'm doing wholesale, and I put these stickers. I'm going to show you a little closer so you can see what my sticker looks like. It has all of my information on there. Let's see if I can get it to zoom in a little bit better. Yeah, it has my information on there, my website, and where I'm located so people can find me. And what I do is I stick these on the back of all of my prints, about right there. I don't have any of them with stickers on there right now to show you in this video, but I stick them on there kind of in the center. I try to make it look pretty good and presentable. And that way when customers purchase these, let's say they're at the Syracuse Zoo, which is one of the zoos that carries my art in their gift shops in Syracuse, New York. Now, if they see this in the print rack and they look at the back, and customers almost assuredly will look at the back of the artwork, they always do, or 75% of the time, 80% of the time, they will see this. And so then later on, this can be an advertisement for me once they buy my artwork from that particular retail store to then purchase more of my artwork online. Because what I've realized over time is that my customers will often buy 1 or 2 pieces of my artwork to start out with, but then they'll want more to add to their collection, because as like you can see behind me here, they look really awesome displayed next to each other on a wall. And so once one person gets one, they almost always come back for more. And so that's why selling wholesale can be a great advertisement for you in your business, especially if you are wholesaling art prints and then selling more varieties of those art prints on your website or your Etsy shop, which is what I do. So yeah, so anyway, I hope this video helps you understand how to package art prints for retail and wholesale. And if you would like more info on packaging artwork or anything like that, check out my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, I have lots of other videos on there that are great for artists. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.